I'm already in the board for 3 years, so it will be my 4th year that I will be in the board. And the Chamber of Commerce in the past, it was really known as the register company where companies got registered. And in the last couple of years we changed this reputation, and we were able to explain what the Chamber of Commerce is doing more than just only registering companies. Because our function is much more than that. In the end, as the Chamber of Commerce, we're an independent organization. We represent the business community on the island. We listen to their challenges, and we go to the government and we advise the government on how to improve the business community on the island. In the last couple of years, the Chamber of Commerce did already a great job with that. But this year, the important keyword of the Chamber of Commerce will be connect. And that means that we will connect with the business community to listen to their challenges, and then connect to the government to address these challenges and to see how we can improve it. The board is pretty diverse, so I believe I'm the youngest board member. But we have within our board we have a lawyer, for example, with the CFO of CMB Bank. So there's a lot of variety in our board. We already had a lot of challenges. For example, the tax reform. We still have a lot of other challenges, like labor law, for example. But yeah, we have a lot of challenges, and it's very important that we stay connected with the business community and with the government to get that conversation going. One of the reasons as well why I got chosen as the president is for my communication background. Connecting, communication, all has to do with marketing. So yeah, of course, we would like to renew a few things as well within the Chamber of Commerce.